Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an AI influencer for free in 2024. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to generate and also develop an AI influencer using some free tools and resources available online. This is perfect for creating unique, engaging content for your social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, whatever it is, without spending, of course, the time. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, there are several free AI tools available that you can use to create your AI influencer. Some popular options, of course, includes DAL E2, Artsbreeder, and I guess there is the option, I forgot its name, it's Deep Art, yeah. And these tools, of course, allow you to generate some realistic images and create based on text description or by blending some existing images, as example. So, as example, of course, just open your browser, whatever browser you're using. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section. You can visit them all if you want to try them all. So you can simply just go to Dell E2, type Dell E2, go to another URL or another tab, and simply just go to Art Breeder. So Art Breeder, and go to the last one. Of course, you can check, as we said before, Deep Arts. So three options you can check. So there's this option, and also this Dell E2. So you can try it, of course, in here. This is like exist by or provided by like OpenAI, which is made like ChatGPT. So you can try to log in into an account if you have an account, as an example. So something went wrong. Okay, what's wrong exactly? Maybe I don't have an account with this. I'm not very sure. So just go and try to continue. So yeah, something went wrong as an example. Okay, maybe there's a problem at the moment or something like that. So yeah, as I said, there's something maybe wrong. I'll just go here and click on return to homepage. Okay, so it keeps getting me back in here. So of course you can contact the support if this problem still appears to you. Maybe an example, let's just try another browser just in case to try things out. So Dell E2, why not? And yeah, go here, try. No, I don't want to set its defaults. Continue with Google. I don't know which accounts I have here in Google. So yeah, it seems like there's a problem at the moment. Of course, I can just try to type my email and see if I can log in into it. So at gmail.com, click and continue here. For the password, I don't know if I even remember that password or not. I logged in with Google, so yeah, it should keep saying like wrong password. Of course, you can sign up from the beginning. An example, yeah, create an account with that email password. I'll just go here and create that password. Of course, it should be like 12 characters. So I'll just go here and do something like this. Maybe even add this and then continue. And yeah, so something went wrong. So yeah, the problem may be in DAL E2 at the moment. But basically, of course, I'll use then something other than DAL E2 at the moment. But of course, personally, like I believe this DAL E2 is the best. So you can go and try it another time. Maybe it's not working just at the moment. Of course, to create, first of all, an AI influencer, you will need some specific details about the appearance of a person. And when you're trying to create your image, as an example, like another image at another time, it should be the same specifics as the other time. Why? Because it should be the same influencer, right? So you'll need to get your information straight. Of course, just try to get, as an example, an appearance about something. You can write manually or even use ChatGPT for that. Tell them to give you random appearance of a random person or human. And yeah, once they give you like this appearance, all you need to do save it and you can use it whenever you're trying to create an AI influencer. As we said, so let's just use somewhere something else like this Artsbreeder. I can click on try for free. As you can see, you can even use this one. So you can hear for this one, it seems like it's a downloadable option. For me, I'll not go for downloadable option, but as you can see, you can download this or use it. For me, I'll just go with this one. So here you can enter description. Of course, for me, I'll just go. I already have some specific for a person. So, example, this one. All I need to do is enter that. So as you can see, it's give us all of the things depending on the appearance that I entered here. Of course, as you can see, like they give us some options here. So you can either go for variations or enhance or even download, depending on whatever you want. So this, as you can see, you can pause this automatic generation until you finish, example, typing, etc. Here, you can even add like face, style, or content, composition, example of an influencer that you maybe already have in mind. You want to just put something around it or something like that. It's up to you. And you have here some settings, of course, basically to enter how many seeds that you want and the shape, how it should be, and even if you want, of course, to enhance it or not. As you can see, the cost, it will cost you some coins that you will be able to use for free. But of course, if you have premium, you'll get more coins, example, or credits actually. So those costs of credits. So you have like just a little bit of amount of credits. Keep this in mind. So yeah, an example, let's just go here and click on variations and they're generating images example. We can enhance it also. Some example, yeah, influencer like this. So of course you can even add I don't know, make it like make it as example. So we'll just go and add like make it a real person or something like that. You can even enhance it after that. As example, you can add more variations. You can do a lot of stuff. Once you like it, of course, you can simply just download it or save it to your profile or clear it if you didn't want. So it's actually up to you. As you can see, I'll not be able to do unlimited options. Why? I'll need to log in into an account and I'll need, of course, to go and buy the premium and etc. A lot of things that will require from me to do that. Of course, like DAL E2 also use this like coins or credits, as we said. So you'll have a specific amount of credit to use each month. So keep that in mind. You'll not be able to use it for free always. So do whatever suits you or use whatever suit. You can even download the other option, the third option, and start doing whatever you want. Of course, you can other than like adding just the appearances here. You can even add like a backstory and personality as an example, and they will create like a clearer image about that. And you can use that, of course, for your social media and upload it right there, and it should be good to go. Of course, it's completely legal on social media to post an AI character, so you don't have to worry about this side. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.